Hello. Uh, we're going to talk about a little more about pressure. I'm going to share screen. Okay, so you should be able to see the whiteboard. We want to talk about pressure in a liquid, inside a liquid, right? Okay, so let's say if we give an example, right? And let's say this is connected to some kind of balloon. So this has inside has gas. Right? So this water level, right? So let's say inside is water. Okay, it's up to here, and then this side it's higher, so it's up to there. Okay. So let's analyze this. So if we look at one point, like say right there, okay, and now we take that point out and we come here, we say, okay, what happened to the pressure at this point? So the pressure at this point, if you think about it, the pressure, if there's a pressure going this way, or pressure is a force divided by area, right? And there's also a pressure going this way, right? Well, they should be equal, right? If they're not equal, then there's an unbalanced force. So then that water particle should not stay there, right? So this is the water particle, right? Right. Similarly, this same point, there's a pressure going up and there's a pressure going down, right? And they should be equal, right? So then we're talking about, right? So the pressure from all the different directions. So now we look at this point and we say, what's the pressure going this way? And there's a pressure going this way, right? And they should be equal, right? So then all pressure, right? Right? Uh, along different, right, direction, right, uh, is equal, right, at this point. Okay, so that's something we wanted, realize and keep that in mind. So that's one thing. The second things that we want to talk about is, so if we look at this level here, for example, right? So since that's the case, then we look at this level here, and they say, well, every single point, right, the pressure should be the same. Okay, the pressure should be the same. Because if not the same, then they will move until they become the same, right? So at this level, the pressure is the same, right? So the pressure is the same. At different point along this line, right? At different point. Okay. So the pressure need to be the same. So that means that this is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 4, 5, 6, right? So pressure 1 is equal to pressure 2 is equal to pressure 3 and blah, 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 right? Okay. So this is the container and that's the bottom. And this is the same height, okay? So this height here, let's say is, some sort of h, right? Okay. So then we can also say the same thing. I'm going to change in color here to this color here, right? So then this right here, right, will be the same as right here, okay? If they are the, same height, right? So same thing here, this one here, right? This one here at the top, like right there, okay? Like this one here will be the same as this one there, okay? So you know that, right? So let's say we want to call this one here, let's call that P prime, okay? And let's call this one here P double prime, okay? So we know P prime is equal to P double prime, okay? Right? So I'm going to stop here, right? Okay, well, thank you and have a good one. Until next time, bye-bye.